By the way, if I'd had to cut these PVC pieces, this is the tool you'll need. It's somewhere between $5 and $10, and the PVC gets stuck in here like this. It's hard on a 1.5 inch. Alright, so can is open, glue looks still in good shape. By the way, when you store these, store them upside down so the air doesn't leak in around the seal. Alright, so this is the end you're going to glue. This is what's going together. So I'm going to take the glue cleaner first. And you hold it like this so it doesn't drip on any other part of it. And the outside, where it makes the contact. Okay. Might as well do the other one as well. Okay. Done with the cleaner. And close it up. It's a strong smelling. It smells like nail polish remover, so maybe it's acetone. I don't know. Alright, next part is get your pieces ready. You don't want to touch it and get any oils from your fingers on it after you've used the glue on it, but I did set it down. So here's the messy part. I do it over the grass because you will get too much on and it'll drip. Don't leave it too long. Put it on both pieces. Turn them to stick them together. And it's already solid, I can't turn it. I'm told it takes about 15 minutes for it to set up properly. So you shouldn't turn the water on for about 15 minutes after you've done this. Now my next two pieces. Lots of glue. Stick them together and turn them. It's already setting. Okay, so these are my two new pieces. Immediately cover the glue. And I will store it upside down so that the air doesn't get in. Okay, so this piece, as long as these pieces were cut the right length, this will work. So the next thing is to prepare the threads. I'm going to look at them. There's a little bit of crap in there, so I'm going to clean it out. I don't want any chances that there's going to be a leak at the top because it'll reduce the pressure going through and eventually cause a problem. See, there's some glue, extra glue dripping down. Blech. Alright, there's a trick to Teflon tape. You want to use a lot of it. If you hold the piece in your left hand, then the tape goes away from you, as long as it's righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Because you can see you'll be turning it this way. So you want the tape to be going on in the same direction that you'll put the piece in. Okay. So that's the Teflon tape. And then the pump supply house and the well repair company that I have to call occasionally told me don't just use Teflon tape, also use thread sealing compound goo over it. That way you get absolutely confident seal. Okay, so I'm going to prepare both of them. So remember, if you hold it in your left hand, the Teflon tape goes away from you. So it's called Teflon tape or thread sealing tape. Notice that the O-rings have fallen out of both of these.